This video is about the JB's Nature Valley, Chottuppal, J Bajrang's Nature Valley, Chottuppal, very near to Chottuppal. Okay, so JB Nature Valley has total 8 phases. Currently, these are the available phases which has open plots available, ready to construct. Okay, so here you can see the prices. JB Nature Valley Phase 4 base price is from 8,500 per square yard, and Phase 5 Block A block 13,000 per square yard. Phase 5 B block is from 11,000 per square yard, and Phase 2B 8,500 per square yard. Phase 4 8,500 per square yard. Okay, and eastern corner extra cost per square yard as mentioned below is 500, southeast 600, northeast 800, and 100 feet road 1000 extra. Okay, for more details you can contact this number after viewing this full video. In this video I covered about the venture in detail, and for available plots you can ping to the number mentioned here, and also there is a negotiation price is available, loans also available, and there is an offer also if you complete the full payment in 10 days without loan, free registration, but this also have some terms and conditions applied. Okay, so open plots available for sale in affordable price, fast selling, and few plots are available, so don't miss opportunity. Best price with good amenities and biggest community with various sizes of plots are available here, so you can visit the site and look yourself and research the area and the prices across the nearby projects in this area. In this connecting road there are various projects which are being very high compared to this. You can easily see yourself. Plan to visit and see yourself. This is the original photos taken from the site. This is the current scenario of the site. You can see this is the entrance. This is the circle of the butterfly emerged in between. This is a phase 3 water tank. This is the open hall, open connecting hall type. For connecting open, for connecting small functions. And this is the roads, blacktop roads, wide blacktop roads. This is the clubhouse one. Almost about to complete the construction of this clubhouse, and also this has a swimming pool. Another side, okay. This is the circle. Middle, these reindeers are being kept. That's it. Good view and attraction. These are the current, and also a meditation hall also been built for doing meditation, and parks are under development, and the venture is also under development. and will be completed very soon. And there are few open plots, so utilize your chance. Welcome to the land of nature with serenity. The JB's Nature Valley is one of the project from the JB's group. So in this project we are having two clubhouses, one sports arena, 6,000 plus residential plots, and well planned gated community which is across 700 acres, which is very huge and biggest community with 30% green zone area, and total 8 phases in 700 acres are being planned, and most of the phases are already sold out. Only few plots are left. So, and also they provided 100 feet wide road with 9 kilometer cycle track, and we will be seeing more clearly. Before that, I want to introduce the JP Infra Group. So here the JB Infra Group, that is J Bajan Infra Group, which has 20 plus years of experience in the market of this infrastructure of plotting on gated communities. They have many projects completed, and also they have active projects now also in various sites across the Hyderabad. If you are interested in any other areas also, you can ping us. We will share you the details related to other projects. Okay, so they always think for the customer, and they want to make the customer feel happy. So this is a JB's integrated satellite township, which is far from the metro city, but covering whole, which is far from the metro city, but which can be easily available to reach the metro city with good highway roads and all other facilities of transportation, so that they can reach easily. And also here we can get good atmosphere as compared to the metro city with less pollution and good quality of air. So due to this, many are interested to live a good and healthy life with various good facilities. So here you can see the JB's Nature Valley project is the best project currently available to all of us. So here is a residential plots in total of 8 phases with 100 feet road with grand entrance plaza. You can here see on the screen like this same structure is been given at the entrance of this community. Two clubhouses, one is constructed, another is under construction, and this all will be completed very soonly. So total 700 plus acres. Various plot sizes are available. Okay, mini cricket ground also been there here, indoor sports arena. Okay, this is This takes 40 plus minutes, 30 to 40 minutes based on the speed of the vehicle from the ORR and to the national highway. This is facing to the national highway. Okay. This is very near to Green Industrial Park. And also inside there is a, you can see here, this is the map. Here is the site. You can see here, this one. Okay. Here. This is the industrial area. This is Chottuppal. These laboratories. Okay. You can see clearly. Ramoji Film City is also there. And this is, there is also a regional ring road, proposed regional ring road. Here you can see. And there are multiple various highlights for this. And outer ring road is also very near. That is 40 minutes to 50 minutes. Okay. Here you can see. This is a proposed regional ring road. You can see. This is, you can see, proposed 8-lane highway. And also proposed elevated metro high speed train is also been there. We can see the highlights. 8-lane highway with elevated metro high speed train between Hyderabad to Vijayawada. These are upcoming project highlights. Okay. Proposed dry port logistics near Chottuppal. Existing ORR junction at Pedambarpet. This is approximately 30 to 40 minutes from the site. Proposed regional ring road junction at Chottuppal. Okay. And the master plan with phases. Phase 1 80 acres, phase 2 83 acres, phase 3 65 acres, phase 4 75 acres, phase 5 79 acres, phase 6 77 acres, phase 7 60 acres, phase 8 92 acres. Okay. So this is the master layout. You can see here, this is the entrance. Okay, I will show you another layout. In that it's clearly, this is the commercial zones. Okay, these are the clubhouses. And also here in this, in future they are planning to also integrate schools and educational institutes inside this community only, with all facilities which are needed to survive our life easily. Planning to cover all this inside this only, in this 700 acres, which is a almost a township, fully residential. Outdoor gym, banquet hall, yoga, and also yoga and meditation hall are already has been constructed. Amphitheater, JBC work, life, play, live, play. This venture is constructing in such a way that our life is fully can be managed inside this venture, with all required needs are being fulfilled. This venture only can be available. Here you can see, this is a gate. Sorry, from here is the entrance. Fine. I will share this. This is the clubhouse one. floor planning. This is the ground floor plan and this is the first floor plan. Okay, this is a graphical look of the clubhouse. Okay, meeting rooms, gym, guest room, parking, swimming pool, and many facilities available. This is a clubhouse too. This is 20,000 square feet. This is 12,000 square feet. Okay, ground plan, first floor. Mini cricket ground also been provided. Sports complex, cycle track, and here road sections. This is the arch look. Okay, project highlights. Mega residential community, state of art club house with swimming pool, DDCP approved layout and RERA approved project. Clear title and layout. 100% was to 100 feet, 80 feet, 60 feet, 50 feet, 40 feet, 33 feet. Blacktop roads are provided in this project. Underground drainage, overhead water supply, water tank with water supply lines provided. Underground electricity, street lights, transformer, walking track with curbstones and avenue plantation on 100 feet road. Rainwater drain through structure, well connected harvesting pits, and gardens, parks in open spaces, greeny and good looking. And the project is ready for construction of the houses and also provision of cycling track on 100 feet road, which is almost 9 kilometers from the starting point of the venture. Parks with fruit bearing and medicinal tree and plants. And the location highlights are 30 minutes drive from OR, which may take 40 minutes also based on its speed. On direct capital to capital road with future. Plan of high speed train. Near to the regional ring road. To the proposed regional ring road, which is upcoming. Closer to Dandu Malkapur Industrial Park and closer to pharmaceutical laboratories like Serene, Divis, Launch, and also closer to proposed drive port area and also closer to Dodla Dairy, which is very near to our project. Okay, so this is the master layout of this project. So here is the starting gate. This is the road, highway road. You can see here. This is the arch, and we will go inside like this. And the right side is the phase 5, which is phase 5A, 60 acres. And after going ahead, phase 5B, 32 acres. This is mostly almost the plots are already have been sold mostly. So and here after going ahead, phase 1 And going ahead from the straight road here, you can see the red is the phase 1, okay, and the yellow lined dotted lines represent phase 3, which is phase 2, which is 83 acres, and the blue dotted line is the phase 3, 65 acres, and in between road connecting to the phase 4, which is red dotted line here. You can see the phase 4. In this there are open plots available. Okay, phase 7 and phase 8 and phase 6 is about to. If you are still watching the video, I would like to say something to you all, guys. Nowadays land rate is being increased as compared to few years ago, and now buying a land in Hyderabad or even in the Telangana areas is looking very hard. Mostly near to the Hyderabad, the prices almost have been doubled, and which is very difficult to buy for middle class people. And so if you have money, invest in the land, you will get huge returns, and also you can give it to your next generations. They can get good appreciation, and also you can sell after few years for good appreciation. In these gated communities you can easily get great appreciation hike easily in few years of the development after the plots have been sold. Okay, so if you have money, you can go ahead and buy better for investment for tomorrow, as the land rate is been definitely today's rate is will not be available to you tomorrow. Tomorrow, maybe in the future, this also may get doubled easily. Most of the cases you can see, like in various areas, like in Amirpet, few years ago, apartment is starting at 1 lakh, but now it around gone to 50 lakhs plus for an apartment of 2 BHK. Even you can see at the Balanagar, new apartments are constructed with 1 plus CR above, which is not a villa, it's an apartment. So you can think the price of the land. So if you want to live peacefully and also planning to construct independent villa in future, you can now buy a land and keep for the future. When you again have the money, you can build the home. Okay, so think before and investigate the prices around these areas or wherever. My suggestion is not to buy this only, but I am like to convey my message like that buying a land is a good thing as compared to any other. There will be no loss. The price will definitely increase in future, and which can be utilized to ourselves only. So think to invest on the land in good areas or in or the areas where you live, which is very near to you. Invest on the land. You will get good returns or no loss, definitely. Thank you for watching till the end. Like, subscribe, and also share this video to your friends and family members. They may interested in purchase, and they also share to others who need and having plan to purchase a good plot for construction of an independent villa and live a healthy and natural life. Thank you.